Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to add the percentage level information for your battery. So actually you can access the percentage battery level by just slide your screen into the right side, and there will be like the percentage informations of here. But then if you want to right away have the information of percentage level or right on the battery informations here, you can do this instead. Open the setting and right after that go scrolling down until you found battery, and whenever you got the battery, go click it, and there will be like in the top line there will be a battery percentage. You just need to turn on this button, and there will be pop up here the percentage level informations on your battery. Now you can see or know the information about the battery level of your iPhone. So that is the way how to seamlessly get the battery percentage on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.